Small intestine. Cheek, cheek, buck, buck, cheek, cheek, buck, buck, cheek, cheek, buck, buck, hooray! Transport, 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 foods. Break down, break down, break down, foods. Smaller, 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 foods. Absorb, absorb, absorb nutrients. Hooray! The small intestine connects the stomach to the large intestine. The small intestine is the longest tube in our body. The longest, the longest. The small intestine is about 22 feet, 7 meters long. The small intestine is about 3.5 times the length of the body. 3.5 times. 1, 2, 3.5. Wow, 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 wow. Hooray! The small intestine has 3 parts. Duodenum, Duodenum, jejunum, Jejunum, ileum, ileum. The small intestine has 3 parts. Duodenum,